You feel it, don't you? That sense that something precious, your focus, has been stolen. It's not your fault. Your attention didn't just vanish. It was taken by powerful forces designed to capture and monetize it. These forces are built into our devices, apps, and platforms, turning distraction into a business model. We're told our shrinking focus is a personal failing, but that's a lie. The real culprits are the architects of our attention crisis. Imagine trying to think while someone constantly shouts your name. That's our daily reality. We live in a storm of interruptions, each one pulling us away from what matters. Let go of the guilt. You're not broken, you're human, living in an environment hostile to your attention. Your struggle is proof you're fighting back against an invisible invasion. Deep focus and meaning are still possible, if we learn to reclaim them. Meet Sarah. Once she could lose herself in books for hours, her mind a calm pool of concentration. Now, as a graphic designer, her focus is constantly shattered by notifications and the urge to check her phone. A quick glance at social media turns into 10 minutes lost, her train of thought gone. The flow state she once knew feels impossible. She's anxious, frustrated, and simple tasks take 3 times as long. Even reading before bed is a struggle. Her mind craves faster, louder stimulation. Sarah feels like a stranger in her own head. But Sarah's story is our story, a generation caught in a massive experiment on our attention. We're all struggling to hold on to ourselves in a world that profits from our distraction. Her anxiety and frustration are shared by millions. The systems we've built now work against the very abilities that make us human. What's happening inside our heads? It's all about dopamine, the motivation molecule. Tech companies exploit this, turning every notification and like into a dopamine hit that keeps us coming back. This creates a feedback loop. Our brains crave easy, quick rewards over deep focus. Over time, our neural pathways adapt, making us better at distraction and worse at concentration. This isn't just a metaphor, it's neuroscience. Constant task switching trains our brains for restlessness, not focus. The result? Agitation when we try to do just one thing. We're overwhelmed by a fire hose of information our brains weren't designed for. This relentless load exhausts our ability to concentrate. Eventually, we're left scattered, foggy, and unable to direct our own attention. The most insidious triggers are hidden in plain sight, like the anticipation of a notification. Even when your phone is silent, your mind is on alert, draining your focus. Algorithms on social media and news feeds are designed to keep you hooked, exploiting your psychological vulnerabilities. Decision fatigue from endless small choices depletes your mental energy, making focus harder. By the time you need to concentrate, your willpower is already drained. The system exhausts your ability to resist distraction, and it disrupts your sleep. Blue light and stimulating content keep your brain wired at night. Poor sleep leads to a tired, unfocused mind, making you even more vulnerable to distraction. It's a vicious cycle, stealing your attention day and night. It can feel overwhelming, but there is hope. Your brain's plasticity means you can rebuild your focus. Start by creating intentional space away from screens. Try a daily or weekly dopamine detox. Go for a walk, read a physical book, or have a real conversation. Practice single tasking. Focus on one thing at a time, even for just 15 minutes. This is how you retrain your brain for deep work. Give yourself unstructured downtime. Let your mind wander. Be bored. Boredom is fertile ground for creativity and self-reflection. Protect your downtime as fiercely as your time. Reclaiming your mind isn't about perfection. It's about small, deliberate steps. Choose depth over distraction, intention over impulse. With new habits, you send your brain a message. Attention matters. You can restore your focus, your calm, and your true self.